Hi guys, welcome back to 2 at 32. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed the previous video of us doing a little bits of decoration. If you haven't checked it out, please check it out in
we'll
part
leave
1.
The link below.
Yeah. So this is part 2. So there's a bit more like detaily bits inside the house, and
like the so yeah, we did the tree, which is one thing. And then we're gonna do all the like coffee tables, sideboards, bits
the little
in the
displays.
kitchen table.
Yeah.
Little mini light up tree in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Like lots of bits. So yeah, we put all that out,
Well,
and then
they've seen the tree in the kitchen the last.
oh yeah,
one.
we did put that on.
So but we'll show you the whole
yeah.
kitchen.
So these are the so we went for here for the ceramic village. I'm not too sure on the snow, just because it's it was like circles around the bottom of the tree, so I had to like cut it up. But,
That's good.
yeah, so these are the ceramic houses. So we got these from Asda. So these ones were £4.50, and they
That's a bit weird. You have to wiggle it. There you go.
light up. That's a bit. Let me. That one's gone a bit dull. That's not good. These ones light up. Yeah, that
I feel
one.
like if you wiggle it.
Wiggle it.
There you
Oh,
go.
there you go. So those ones light up. Those ones don't. I can't remember how much those ones were.
Those are from.
Were they £4.50 as well? They were from Asda as well.
Yeah.
These ones are definitely £4.50 with the lights. Can't remember how much those were. But yeah, that was a lot cheaper than
But how pretty does it
other
look?
places are. Yeah, so we did a little reel.
Amy's very proud of it.
Oh yeah, and then I changed the flowers up. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I'm happy with that. And then this is the candle we showed in the last one, winter spruce. Oh, it's so good, isn't it? It's really strong.
Smells nice.
It's just like
Christmas tree.
trees.
But hasn't she done? Look how chuffed she is.
Yeah,
Look
I
at
think
her.
this is my favourite bit. Now I'm going to come along and like manoeuvre how he's placed all of that. So it's nicely angled. And do the gong so it's like facing us a little bit. Yeah, there we go. I've just picked Matt up. He's been to a Christmas
A village football do.
village, yeah, football do.
I will apologise if I sound
So
a bit
he's a
slurry.
bit
I've
drunk.
had a couple of drinks.
But I picked him up and he's won a hamper, huge hamper, and he is so excited. Let me So yeah, we're just gonna go. We haven't. Well, no, he started pulling bits out, but we thought, oh, let's have a look, because he gets very excited about these kind of things.
So I would say that the person who invited me, who was actually on the football team, I actually said to him, "That's going home with me," and he'll vouch for me for that.
Oh, here we go. Hang on. So here he is. Look at this.
So
That he's won.
a Yule log.
I mean, even the basket's nice.
Yeah, a Yule log.
Yule log.
Stollen, my favourite. Truffles.
Ooh.
Lint.
Yeah, so we know what all our family are getting for Christmas.
Chutneys and jams. They'd be
Ooh,
nice
nice.
in toasties.
Yeah.
Mince pies.
Ooh.
The good ones as well.
Yeah, we haven't had a mince pie. We could have one of them tomorrow. Crackers. You're about to say cheese, then,
Yeah,
weren't
it
you?
wasn't. Port.
Port. I don't think I'll drink port, but...
A red wine.
Hello? What's this?
A little party game.
Oh, play that at Christmas.
Ooh. Oh, was that keeping that up? Oh, God.
Oh, yeah. Leave that there, maybe.
Quality Street.
I mean, that's good.
That's good
That was
itself.
one... We didn't buy that. We bought 2 tubs the other day
Yeah,
from
it was
Tesco. We bought
Heroes and...
Heroes and... Oh my God, what was the other one?
Not Roses.
Celebrations?
Yeah, Celebrations.
Celebrations, and I nearly got Quality Streets because I do like Quality Streets, but we didn't. Oh, Chambord.
Chambord.
I love Chambord.
We need to get a big bottle of this year. And have some Prosecco with that, because that is...
Yeah, I love Chambord.
And then...
That's good. And then
a nice bottle of...
Carver.
So, don't know, is that like Prosecco?
I think so.
And then that's it. But what a nice little box.
Yeah, that's a good. That'll be a good picnic basket. So yeah, he's done well
Yeah.
for his night out.
But as I was saying to Amy in the car, I spent £55 there. Well, as in £30 for the meal, £20 on actually winning this, and then £5
Yeah, 'cause you
on
did
drinks.
some of the raffle tickets, didn't you? But well, yeah, it all goes to like the local village football team to help them.
Because they're currently doing a big development at the moment. So
Yeah, to try and get
we're really close to one of our neighbours, aren't we? Who's
yeah
the goalkeeper of the team, and he's
an
really
adults
nice.
team. But they do
Promoting
the
for the
kids teams and stuff and trying to get better pitches. So it's a good cause anyway, isn't it? So but yeah, you've come back with quite you've won a bit of money back there. Was that nice? I picked you.
Yeah, it's lovely. Oh well, I actually booked a taxi, and then Amy very kindly came to pick me up.
Yeah,
And I cancelled it for free, which I was actually very surprised at.
that's good. You never know when you might need a favour, so I've got one in my bag now. I'll be like, you remember that time I picked you up from the football day? Clever.
I mean, you
Ooh,
picked me up from the
clever
station quite a
thinking.
lot as well.
Huh?
You picked me up from the station quite a lot as
I
well.
thought you said you picked me up from the station. I was about to say no. I picked you up from the station.
Well, actually, I was going to pick you up yesterday, but yeah. Oh, they didn't
Well,
even
no.
know this.
No, that's
But
a bit
anyway,
boring story.
yeah, I'm chuffed to pieces. I think actually Amy's quite chuffed as well.
Yeah, free food.
Free food
Never gonna
and
be annoyed
free
about that.
presents. If any of our family are watching this,
And you get lint or truffles or port.
then you know where it's come from, but it's from the heart.
I mean, technically you paid for it for the raffle.
Yeah, I have, and as I said in the car, we'll have to do. That'd be quite interesting. That'd be quite nice. Like if we can, I was thinking maybe we have like a picnic where we, or
Yeah,
Ash to be
summer.
my girlfriend.
Well, he said that's you're going to ask me. I was like, I'm already.
No,
You
but
already did. Oh, go back to the place
Yeah.
where you asked me. Right, okay.
that'd be quite a cute one.
I thought you meant.
And then we
as
could
in
have
you're
like
gonna-
a few bits in there, because I
Yeah.
think that'd be nice.
I mean, it's worth it just for that hamper. Because I wanted one of them for ages.
I should have wrapped up
Well
and said,
done.
instead
Yeah, I
of.
could have done it with my
Well,
Christmas
let me wrap up for your Christmas present.
Oh, here we go. So yeah,
But yeah,
and I've had an exciting day today.
yeah, maid of honour of your best friend and
Yeah,
wedding dress shopping for her,
Yeah.
didn't you?
and
And
got her dress, which was exciting.
so we got her wedding next September.
Yeah,
So that's really good. I'm really looking forward to that.
yeah.
We're really
Nice.
close to them. You've probably seen a picture of them in the video at some point. There is a picture of Amy and her goddaughter
Yeah.
and her best friend.
It's my best friend is she's the mother of my goddaughter, who we've definitely mentioned a few times. But
yeah.
Yeah.
We love to pieces.
yeah. So yeah, that'll be exciting.
But yeah, Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So this is the end of part 2. So that's all the downstairs done, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we are going to go to Dobby's this weekend to buy a few extra bits for the tree and maybe a couple bit more decorations.
Well, we don't want to spend too much, but I just want some more baubles for the tree because it just feels... Because it is a bigger tree.
So we've got an extra foot of tree.
It's quite a lot. It just feels a bit gappy, so I just want some, just like plain baubles to fill it up a bit. And then we need to do the outdoor lights.
Upstairs.
And upstairs.
So, like I said earlier, if you are enjoying this, please don't forget to like and subscribe to us. We are trying to do it, well, we are weekly, so we're every Sunday, but we are trying to do Wednesdays as well, if we have enough content, basically.
We did a bit, we wanted to do one on... We did an extra one this week, just because it was the 1st of December, so we thought put a Christmas vlog out on the 1st. But yeah, thank you for watching, because I know there's loads of videos at the moment, because everyone's doing Vlogmas. So yeah, if you've watched and made it all the way to the end, thank you.
Thanks again, guys. Hope you have a nice rest of the day, or night, evening, morning, however you're watching us. And see you guys soon. Bye.